Atma Namaste, welcome to Violet Sutras. Today's subject is migraine. So, in this video, you are going to see certain yogic asanas, mudras, some Ayurvedic guidelines that you can follow, and you will also see a pranayam along with a yogic mudra that you can practice if you suffer from migraine. So, if you or anyone else you know is having the situation of migraine, please do share this video with them and please practice with us. This asana is called Gupta Padmasana. For this, sit in Padmasana in the lotus pose. Place your hands on the floor in front of your knees or next to the knees. Now lean on your arms, raise your body as though standing on your knees and lower your body in the front and rest on your chest. Now place your palms together behind your back, touching each other in Namaskar Mudra. Stay there, breathe in and breathe out. Now very slowly, try to return to the starting position. Pick yourself up with the help of your hands and come back in the starting position. This posture is known to promote a deep sense of calm and relaxation that can be beneficial in stress, anxiety, or tension situations, which are usually and often migraine triggers. So, somewhere indirectly, it does help in migraine situations. Please ensure that you do this asana only if you are able to do it. Do not push yourself to do something that may affect your body in the wrong way. If you're comfortable, practice this asana a couple of times and then you can relax. We will now begin our pranayama practices. This practice is called Shitali Pranayama. Putting your hands in Jnana Mudra and sitting in Padmasana, open your mouth and extend your tongue, and then try to roll the sides of your tongue to form a tube or a straw shape. Now inhale through your trunk and then close your mouth and hold your breath. And after some time, exhale through your nose. Continue this practice for some time. Inhale through your tongue, hold your breath, and exhale through your nose. This pranayama is also known to reduce stress and has a cooling effect on the body. Hence, this might be beneficial for individuals that experience migraine. With the summer setting in, this is a good practice and a good pranayama to do because it is very helpful in the summers as this is cooling for the body. You can do 10 to 15 rounds of this pranayama, gradually increasing the duration as you become more and more comfortable with the practice. This practice is not to be done if you already have a very low blood pressure or if you are suffering from asthma, cold, and cough. Now we will start the practice of mudra. This mudra is called the Mahasirsha mudra. For this, sit in Padmasana and the index finger and the middle finger tips must touch the thumb fingertip. The ring finger should be folded and placed near the root of the thumb finger. The little finger is kept straight and both the hands are now placed on the knees with palms directed upwards. Breathe slowly, deeply and gently in this mudra. Breathe in and breathe out. In situation of migraine, this mudra can be practiced daily 2 times, 10 to 12 minutes each time. The Mahasirsha mudra is known to relieve migraine. It also relieves stress and it aids to reduce any kind of headache or blocked nose even. It controls blood pressure and back pain and cervical problems. So this is a very effective mudra to practice. Now about Ayurveda. Typically in Ayurveda, migraine can happen predominantly because of a Pitta dosha imbalance. So what is it that you can do? The most important thing to be done is to avoid the sun. Summer is coming up and we must be very careful in this heat, protect ourselves from heat, stay away from heat as much as possible, especially if we have migraine conditions. The second thing that you can do, ginger is your savior. So you can have ginger tea. You can boil freshly grated ginger in water, put a pinch of honey, and you can have this tea. You must avoid any kind of hot and spicy food, fermented food, sour and citrus fruits. All of these must be avoided. One more effective remedy that Ayurveda suggests is lying down in a cool, dark room and resting in Shavasana for as long as you can. This may really help you if you have migraine conditions. One more Ayurvedic recommendation is to have water based vegetables or water based fruits, for example, cucumber, watermelon, lettuce, and even celery. Stay hydrated during this time and ensure that you have sufficient fluids. I hope you like this video and you found it helpful. If you did, please do like the video and subscribe to this channel and share it with your near and dear ones.